Okay, here is another video on IGCSE English as a second language, how to write a review, how to write, sorry, how to write an essay. Okay, how to write an essay. I just lost my thought. Okay, please, excuse me, let me take water. Okay, so it's also another exercise. All right, exercise 6 basically, and essay writing is actually a newly added type of exercises in the updated syllabus. So please pay attention. A lot of students might have been struggling. Okay, how do we write essay? Because this is a new thing. All right. So please pay attention to it. It's very important. You should know how to do all the 4 different things that can be under exercises, because any of it can actually come out. You can be asked to write a report in your exercise 6. You can be asked to write a review. You can be asked to write an article. You can be you can be asked to write an essay. All right. So which means that you have to really know how to do all those, all the 4. In case anyone comes in, then you'll be good to go. Now let's look at this. You recently had a class discussion about the effect of playing computer games on young people. Your teacher has asked everyone in the class to write an essay on the subject. Now, the effect of playing game. So your teacher has asked you to write an essay on the subject. In your essay, write about the effect of playing computer games on young people. Here are some comments. Computer games are bad for your health. Okay. Negative. I spend too much time playing computer games. Too much makes it negative. Now, computer games teach useful skills. All right. Okay. Positive. Some computer games are very entertaining. Positive as well. Now, write an essay for your class teacher. A class teacher. So you're going to be formal in your expression, giving your opinions. Now, okay, the same instruction as usual. Now let's look at the tips for writing essay. Okay, so start with a clear introduction stating your opinion or position. All right, so you'll be given a particular, let me say, a statement, a motion. All right, it can actually be debatable. So you can start with a clear introduction, and then in the introduction, state your opinion, state your position. What do you believe? All right. What do you believe? Where do you stand in your essay? So your opinion is actually important there. You can express your idea, how you feel, what you think. Okay. Now the next one is use separate paragraphs for each main idea or argument. Now, if you have a particular idea or a major argument you want to discuss, try to separate the point in a different paragraph. Okay, write different paragraphs for that. Okay, if you when you're done developing a particular point and you want to talk about another point, create a different paragraph for it. Don't combine all your points together in one paragraph. Okay, let's say for example, if you want to talk about computer game are actually bad. Computer games are bad. So you can already see the comments that we saw that we were given. So let's say we are picking the negative ones. All right, computer games are bad for our health. Now discuss health issues, health related issues about computer games. You know, the effect of blue light is one of the things you can talk about. Talk about that, how that can affect the eyes. Give example, develop the point. Now, when you want to talk about spending too much time, don't combine it with this. Separate this in another paragraph. Okay, you can do that, and then you'll be fine. So when you're developing this, how spending too much time on this can affect your concentration towards other things, especially your academy. You see, you have a lot of points to develop on that as well. Now, support your point with reasons. This is very important. Reasons, examples, or explanations. These are what are going to make your essay stand out. Now, use linking words to connect ideas. Firstly, however, in conclusion, in addition, okay. Also, furthermore, all those things are very good. Right. Use formal language and avoid contractions. That is the same for every exercises category. Now include a short conclusion that summarizes your opinion or main ideas. A short conclusion that actually summarizes your idea. Now stay focused on the question and avoid repeating the same point. Very important. If you follow the pattern, you pick a point, you develop it, you create ideas, examples for it. All right. That way you don't have to repeat the same point because you even have a lot to say already. Now, keep your tone balanced and logical. Make sure you're logical. The point you're trying to express is actually logical. Don't mix words together, or maybe the example you're giving doesn't really correlate with the point you're developing. You're saying that a computer game is bad for the health, and then you're talking about how it helped to enhance your skills. As an example, you learned how to drive by playing games, or how to calculate by playing a particular game. All right. And then what you're actually developing is computer games are bad for your health. You see, that's actually contradicting. All right. So I think that is a stay within the 120 to 160 word limit. All right. So you can check this example. This is also another title. It's a catchy one, a question kind of title. Do computer games help or harm young people? All right. So now, the increasing popularity of computer games among teenagers has sparked much debate. While some believe that they are harmful, others argue they are valuable. So we've expressed both ideas. Okay, I believe both views hold truth. Okay, but much depends on how games are used. So I've stated my point here, my opinion. All right. My opinion, even from the introduction. So then you can check the entire content to have a better understanding. All right. Okay. So this explains the good part of it. All right. That for example, computer games are good, and then we express that in just one paragraph, and then in the other paragraph we express that okay, there can be issue with it. Okay. So then the conclusion, I try to create a balance here, balance between you can play it and learn few things. However, there should be moderation, level of moderation. So you can go through these and get the idea better. So yeah, thank you very much. I believe this has actually been helpful. So in the comment section, you can message me. I will surely read them. All right. You can also check my other videos as regards how to write an article, how to write email, how to write a review, how to write a report. Okay, for a full understanding of your English as a second language paper 1 exam. So I want to believe this has actually been helpful. Please share with your friends, share with your loved ones so that they can benefit from this as well. I wish you all the very best in your exam, your preparation. All right. So goodbye. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Very, very important. It's actually doing me a lot of favor actually, and a lot of people have been subscribing, a lot of people have been sharing the videos, a lot of people have actually been reaching out to me through comments. Okay, some people asking, oh, please cover this video as well. So that is actually encouraging. I'm glad that this has been helpful to you. So please, if it has been helpful to you, share with others, subscribe. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.